So here it is, our new baby, Infostorms, the book, How to Take Information Punches and Save Democracy. Now what the book is really about is how information technology and also social media actually may amplify irrational group behavior. The behavior you're talking about in the book is as old as man, so there's nothing really new there. But what is new is the fact that these sort of phenomena that we talk about in the book actually get amplified to magnitudes and proportions that we have never seen before. So one example of that would be a Lemming effect, say.
Yeah, and a Lemming effect is very interesting because a Lemming effect happens when you have a lot of people doing something together. And if somebody sees somebody else doing something and that person looking at that person is uncertain about what to do, they'll just tend to follow.
Right. So they follow uncritically whoever is in charge of doing the thing.
Yeah.
And that you can actually amplify by information technology and social media. We actually did carry out some experiments about these Lemming effects down on one of the big pedestrians walk in Copenhagen. Now on the left-hand corner, you should take notice of a grouping of people, of which one of them is a gentleman in a red jacket. And right in front of them, there's a poster stand, and by that poster stand, there's a woman lying down. Now, she's a woman in distress. She's an actress in our little experiment here. And if you can get the footage to roll, pay attention to the gentleman in the red jacket. Now, he starts walking on with his tourist grouping. Of course, look at the woman in front of her and look at all the people who are actually walking by, noticing her, and moving on. Now, here's the guide. He clearly sees her. He walks on, doesn't do anything. And that public signal that he sends out by not doing anything is followed by all his tourists after him. So none of the tourists will do anything, even though they all notice her and notice the fact that she is in distress, simply because he sends a public signal for them to follow, and they will follow that norm as long as nothing or nobody intervenes. And here's a clear case of a Lemming effect. And the thing about that is, of course, one thing is for them to do it on the pedestrian walk. Yet another thing is how you can actually trigger that or amplify that on webs, on social media, using information technology, etc. And that's actually part of the new book and what it's about and how those particular phenomena might get amplified to proportions that we've never seen.